Hello everyone, today's subject is the Genesis Radium 400 microphone. First, look at the company for anyone who hasn't heard of them. Genesis brand was established in 2011. Since the brand inception, they have been supplying accessories for players at all levels. They have been producing mice, keyboards, mousepads, headphones, speakers, microphones, controllers, PC cases, gaming desks, gaming chairs, backpacks, accessories, gadgets, and they have cooperation with many influencers. Let's see, today's subject is the Genesis 400 microphone. So this is the box. Streaming ready. Let's check the other side. So it captures sound only on the front. We have a metal boom arm, pop filter, microphone, desk lamp, USB cable, shock mount, and the sponge cover. There is a product specification. So there is a box in the box. This is the manual. Pop filter. Sponge cover. Let's see what's inside. This is the arm. USB cable. The most important thing, the microphone. Desk lamp. And the shock mount. Let's set it up. So you can hear the microphone is quite good. I use it during the whole video. But just to give you something to compare it to, here is my SteelSeries Artist 1 microphone. You can hear the differences. So the microphone been created to perfectly pick up the voice flowing in its direction and effectively eliminate any voices and sounds coming from behind. The only thing I miss about the mute button. I think it's a pretty good microphone for someone who is just starting out streaming or making video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this content, please subscribe for me. One thanks for you, but for me it's eternal thanks. Thank you. Bye.